Just in time before many of you will enjoy a well-deserved summer break, we have some great news for you. Adonis 16 is out and it's a beauty of a new version. Self-service and bringing capabilities as close as possible to our users is a driving factor in the development of Adonis. With Adonis 16, we have in particular focused on tool setup and configuration use cases and reached a new milestone. As you can see, are now all administration features available via a single web interface, allowing admins and power users to quickly configure everything from user rights to repository settings, licenses, and more from the comfort of their favorite browser. And that's not all. With the new add-on module for managing properties, you can now easily customize your meter model to add new attributes, designate mandatory fields, adjust default values for enumeration and Boolean types, or tailor attribute help text to your preferences. And icing on the cake, you can now directly define new chart templates within the analysis. A real highlight feature is our AI-powered recommendations for readers in the Process Portal. This innovative service uses crowd intelligence and works similar to shopping websites and online shops, where you will get recommendations for content which has been viewed or bought by other users. Now every reader can directly leverage these insights with Adonis, highlighting further relevant content when browsing through a model in the portal. This will lead to increased virality and maximize the value of your collective knowledge and the experience of all users in the Process Portal. With Adonis 16, we are enhancing process documentation and expanding new process value network to unlock new scenarios and involve more stakeholders. This provides easier access to critical process information across management domains in Adonis, your single source of truth. You will benefit from 3 new scenarios out of the box. Firstly, document more of your strategic process management by defining and linking goals. Secondly, comply with GDPR regulation by assessing impact on customer data and providing required documentation. And finally, assess your process portfolio with regard to business continuity management and in particular recovery and downtime objectives. And as always, we have been listening to the voice of our customers. And there's more than a dozen of bigger and smaller improvements leading to fresh new UI and even better user experience. Starting with thumbnail views for favorites and recently opened, new options in Explorer, a multi-file BPM NDI import, a revamped page to create new content, we are confident that there is really something for everyone. And last but not least, we can also say Benvenuto Adonis. As with Adonis 16, we can now offer a complete Italian user interface. We are sure that all of these enhancements will help to extend the width and depth of BPM in your organization. And finally, we are glad to announce news in our multi-channel communication and collaboration strategy. In the last 2 years, and with our conference integration in Adonis 15, we invested a lot into the central capability. Now we extended this offering with a readily available integration for the MS SharePoint and Teams platform, thereby adding further channels for BPM in your organization. And while I'm speaking, the next innovative service is on the doorstep, with Adonis Forms serving as a simple, decentral app to capture data via flexible web forms. So the Adonis ecosystem keeps growing, making sure to reach employees at all levels of the organization and have them contribute to the success of BPM in your company. So want to take self-service and acceptance of BPM to another level? Then do not wait any longer and get the latest Adonis release today.